We are going to talk about Axis Bank loan against property. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Axis Bank loan against property. Applicant age should be between 21 years to 65 years for salaried and 21 years to 70 years for self-employed. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 680. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount rupees 50 lakh to 50 crore. Tenure will be 5 years to 15 years. Login fees will be 5,900. Rate of interest will be 8.60% to 11% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 5 days. Insurance charges will be as per age. Foreclosure charges will be nil if MSME registration and up to 4% for others. Processing fees will be 0.5% to 1% of the loan amount. Part payment is not allowed. Products are fresh loan, BT plus top-up, commercial and industrial purchase, lease rental discounting and DOT product. Lock-in period is 12 months. Business vintage should be 3 years. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Axis Bank loan against property, loan without financial up to 5 crore. Location is 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are pollution, share traders, NBFC, police, liquor seller, DSA, applicant living in dominated area, real estate. Negative properties are hotel and restaurant, hospital and nursing home, school, plot, leasehold property without PTM, stand-alone basement, auction property, demolition list property, Lal Dora property, PG property, Khasra and Khatoni property, subject to sale deed property, GPA property, gift deed property, single sale deed property, without map property, unapproved freehold property, legal and technical not clear, stone slab property, unapproved farmhouse, multi-tenanted unit. No specific product for professionals. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration, copy of MSME registration, copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, If applicant, if company, or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.